It's a dry start to the work week over the western part of South Africa. In contrast, cloudy and wet weather settles in over the eastern parts with a thunderstorm-filled work week for much of the country. On our satellite, you'll see a low pressure spinning up off the west coast, bringing in some cloud with mostly cloudy weather and light rainfall over the southern part of South Africa. Our satellite also shows that tropical moisture flowing in over South Africa's interior, resulting in a band of cloudy and wet weather between the northwest and KwaZulu-Natal, with thundershowers also extending through to Gauteng and Mpumalanga. It's a hot Monday for Limpopo as well as parts of the Northern Cape, with the possibility of rain along the south coast. And on Tuesday, we're expecting rain along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastline, with a cloudy and wet day over the interior, with a larger amount of thunderstorm activity and a significant amount of rainfall, with thundershowers even extending through to Limpopo and the western interior. However, things remain dry in the southwest. Here's our rainfall probability map with widespread thundershowers for KwaZulu-Natal and parts of the Free State on Monday, with scattered thundershowers expected as we head towards the northwest, isolated as we head towards Gauteng, and a 40% chance of rainfall over the southern part of South Africa, with the possibility of evening drizzle along the eastern escarpment of Limpopo. Fresh winds are forecast over the southern Northern Cape as well as the western Free State, with moderate to fresh winds in the southeasterly direction between Port Elizabeth and Cape Town. Now you'll see warm weather over much of South Africa, 36 degrees for Upington, 32 as we head into Kimberley, 27 for Cape Town and Johannesburg, 33 degrees for Polokwane, but then quite cool as we head over the southern and southeastern parts, only 18 for George and a high of 20 for Port Elizabeth and East London. Things remain quite mild to warm across South Africa overnight with a large amounts of clouds settled in, 20 degrees for Kimberley as well as along the east coast, 21 for Upington, 17 for Dar as well as Pretoria, Port Elizabeth and East London, 14 degrees for Cape Town and George, and Sutherland dropping to 8 degrees overnight. Now on Tuesday, we're expecting dry weather still over the western part of South Africa, with cloudy and wet weather, particularly over the central and northeastern parts, with a number of thundershowers occurring. We're also expecting rain all the way along the coast, with isolated thundershowers for Polokwane. And then by Wednesday, we're expecting rain over the western part of South Africa, with thundershowers in the forecast for the rest of the weather stations across the country. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.